Today for Mousetrap Monday, I have another original antique mousetrap to show you. The body's made out of cast iron. It's a spring snap style trap, and it was first patented by Alfonso Becker of Waterford, Pennsylvania on November 16th, 1886. The way it works is these springs are attached to a wire kill bar. I'll turn it this way. You can pull this up. It's under quite a bit of tension, and then the top here hooks over this lever. The bottom of the lever fits onto the trigger. It's kind of hard. You got to get the balance just right. But when you do, that will make a really sensitive mousetrap. There you go, it's all set. We put bait on the trigger. The mouse will come along, want to get that bait, and when it moves that trigger just a little bit, come slamming down. This looks like it's going to work really well. So let's go set up the motion cameras in the barn, see if we can get some wild mice with this 1886 mousetrap. This antique Becker Mousetrap worked quite well. The mouse went in there, flipped the trigger, and got caught. To remove the mouse, you lift up the spring, give them a little tug. I just love testing out these mousetraps from the 1800s. Back then, things were built to last, especially being made out of cast iron. I wonder how many mousetraps built today made out of plastic will still be able to catch mice in 100 years. I have quite a large collection of antique mousetraps, so stay tuned. I have new videos every week.